Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we'll be demonstrating how to create and send an email campaign in Zoho Campaigns. Zoho Campaign is an email marketing automation tool that helps businesses to design, send, and run effective email campaigns. This is our Zoho Campaign dashboard. To begin sending an email campaign, we need to have contacts. Contacts are grouped using list. Let me show you how to create a list. So here we have the option to create list by clicking on the manage list icon. By clicking on this create list icon, we'll be having the option to create list. Here you will be having the option to either add the contacts manually or import or send or using any sign up form. You can automatically create contacts here. So here I'm just showcasing how we can add contacts manually. Here you can enter the email, first name, last name, and company name of the contacts, and you can choose the subscription type here. This is how a list can be created. So here I have created some sample list. So currently I'm just taking this my contacts list. Here you will be able to see the total number of contacts and all the information you will be able to see here. So this is how we can create list. After creating the list and adding contacts, we can move forward with designing and sending the email campaigns. So here we have the option to create email campaigns. So these are the sample email campaigns that I have already configured. So now we can just go to the email campaign setup. By clicking on this icon create campaign, we can create different type of email campaigns here. So currently I'm just trying to create a regular email campaign. Here you can enter the subject. Here you can choose the sender information. And here you have the option to choose the recipient. Either you can choose list or segment. So let me just give you a description about what will be the list and segment. Lists are static in nature, whereas segments are dynamic. The criteria set as the list will fetch only the existing contacts to the list, whereas the criteria set on the segment will fetch both existing and newly added contacts. Currently, I'm selecting the list. Clicking on the save icon, the contacts has been selected. Now I'm just proceeding to create a content. Either I can choose the pre-designed content templates here. Otherwise, I can create templates from here. Now I'm selecting one template and I'm doing some changes here. I'm clicking on proceed. So now the campaign is set for sending. I'm clicking on the send. Here we have two options, send immediately or send later. And I'm now sending immediately. So here the Zoho complaints team will check and review this email campaign from the backend. Once the Zoho complaints team is approved, then automatically this email campaign will be sent. So now I will just showcase these are the test email campaigns we have already sent. So here you will get a report, analytical report like how been delivered, open, and all those information you will be able to track from here. And in the dashboard also, we will be able to get the understanding analytical reports we will be able to get from here. So this is regarding the Zoho campaigns. Zoho Campaigns offers an easy-to-use interface, automation features, detailed reports, and advanced segmentation, making it a powerful tool for creating personalized and result-driven email campaigns. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.